Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's Keys TV. My name is Nikita for those of you that are new to my channel. It's been nearly a month since I came on here and did a video. I have some pretty exciting news. Well, at least it's exciting for me and my children. We are moving. I just wanted to update you guys because a lot has been happening since I was last seen here on YouTube. You guys can see that I have these new cool braids. Actually, they're not new. I had these braids for about 2 weeks. I did them myself. I've gotten tons of compliments on them. I like to call them the beachy vibes because I have the waves at the bottom and some pretty cool colors that I got going on. I got some purple, blue, mint, and blonde. And then I also have my nails done. Got a little bit of glitter action going on. So yeah, that's beside the fact. Anyways, we're basically moving to a city nearby. It's about 10-15 minutes from where we currently live. Right now we're in a townhome, but the new place that we're moving to is going to be more of a house setting. So I'm really excited about that. I have my own garage finally. I've always wanted my own bathroom, so I have my own bathroom. If you're a parent, you know what it's like to share a bathroom with your children. It's always an issue. We are moving at the end of this month. So I have just about 9 days left to get everything organized and packed up. I haven't even ordered my U-Haul truck yet, so I have to get that going soon. Anyways, I wanted to show you guys a little bit of what's going on right now around me because I got a lot of stuff packed up, but I have a lot of stuff that I need to continue to pack, and I'm pretty much doing everything by myself. Not to mention, on top of that, I just started my new job like a week ago. And I don't even know why I want it to work, because as if I already don't have enough going on in my life as is. I'm currently working at the Dollar Tree just to kind of take my mind off of everything while moving. It really helps to distract me because if I'm sitting here majority of the time, I do not want to pack. I try to utilize my time when I'm working, and that's just a few hours here and there throughout the week. So it's not much. In a second, I'm about to leave and I need to pay my cell phone, go to the U-Haul place. Well, I don't know if they're gonna let me in or not, but if not, I'll just give them a phone call. I was thinking about a car wash, but I really don't care if I get one or not. I think I need to stop over by my job just to talk to them about a few things. So anyways, let me show you guys this stuff that I got packed. I am not taking these dressers with me at all. I'm gonna throw them away. I gotta finish emptying out the drawers. I already got these emptied for this dresser, so I'm gonna start by taking these dresser drawers and throwing them out. The stuff that's on top of this dresser, I'm pretty much taking this stuff. I kind of went through it and organized it already. So this is pretty much my candles and stuff, and I was supposed to make some slime and stuff. That's what's in this little basket, but I haven't got around to it. As far as the stuff on my bed, I kind of went through this stuff, so even though it looks a little bit messy, I already went through it. Just a lot of miscellaneous stuff, some oatmeal, all of my face masks, and some more miscellaneous stuff. I'm not about to take nothing out the shoe boxes. It's gonna stay just like that. Over here in this section, believe it or not, all of this stuff is already packed up. These are my Crocs. This is like a bunch of stuff that I bought and some teas. Samaj old baby bag when he was just a little preemie. This is his stuff in here, so I'm not getting rid of it. This is a lot of my Bath and Body Works and perfumes. That's in that box. I keep going through it every day whenever I take a shower and whatnot. So that's why the stuff look a little unorganized. This is a bag with all of my shoes in it. And then that has like my deodorants and lotions and stuff. This is a bunch of the hair supply, which is already packed up. I just got it right here because we kind of still use some of the stuff. This is one of my closets. I took everything off the top shelf last night. These are clothes that I wear. The hangers I gotta pack up. These are my clothes that I already packed up. My underclothes, towels in that basket, dirty clothes. This is going packed on the truck just like this. I gotta finish taking this stuff off of the shelf. The stuff on top, I'm just gonna put in a box. And then as far as like the wipes and stuff, I'm gonna put that in a box as well. But I'm gonna leave these in there exactly like that and put it on the truck. Now with this closet, I took everything off of the top shelf already, and from the bottom one, I just have a few things on these shelves, which is old mail. I'm gonna just put this stuff in a box pretty much. And then with the other stuff right here, I'm gonna figure it out. But yeah, so that's it for my room. Not a lot that needs to be done. So now we're gonna go to the rest of the house. With the bathroom, I'm gonna take everything off of this stand and pack it with the other bathroom stuff that's downstairs. I'm gonna probably throw the whole stand away, forget it. There's not much going on and whatnot. Hall closet, I already emptied it, so there's nothing in there. Let's go downstairs. These are just extra boxes in case we need to use them to put stuff in my scooter. I cleared this out about a week or two ago. I just got a pillow sheet set that my brother was using when he came to spend the night. These hangers I'm gonna put in a box and pack up. These are the kids' old shoes, which is already bagged up in my sister's bag. And they're little inflatables. These are my suitcases and duffel bags, which is already packed up and ready to go. My clothes, everything in this bag was supposed to be a video for you guys. All of my new clothes, everything in here is either new shoes and new clothes that you guys have not seen, that I really wanted to do a clothing haul for you guys, or clothing try on haul for that matter. I think these have either my movies and stuff in it. Some of Samaj stuff is right here and whatnot. These, let's see, what is in these? All the hair care and movies. Well, these are all the kids' movies and all the hair stuff. This is the other bathroom stuff I had. I don't know if I'm going to keep it or not. I might just get rid of it. Yeah, this couch has been through hell and back. We had this couch for 11 years, so do not mind the way it's looking. Today, I threw out the table that was in here. I'm going to throw out these other tables and the TV stand. I don't want none of this stuff. Again, a bunch of mail. I think that's Ariana's box. That is going with us. That's Samaj bike where he could put his tablet on and play games. This is some food right here that we got packed up in both boxes. Samaj toys. I didn't want to take any toys to the new house, but I might take some and might throw out half of that because he had 2 bins and I already threw out 1 from their room. Then this is a shoe rack that was in that closet, but I'm going to keep this for my own room because I just recently threw out my shoe rack. These are some pots and pans. There's nothing in this closet. This is clean clothes that the kids keep forgetting to get out the dryer, so I just set them right there. I'm throwing all this stuff away anyway, but I already took the pictures off of the wall. There's me again. I cleared out this cabinet so far. This cabinet also got cleared out. And this one actually got cleared out also, but I just recently bought more chips and put them up there. This had pots and pans and stuff down there. I'm gonna clear all of this out. Anyways, you guys, so that is what the house is looking like so far. I'm gonna be taking those pictures off the wall along with those today. Also taking those ones off the wall This is our first 4-bedroom house that we're moving into. Really excited. So we have a lot more space. I'm gonna get all new furniture. I'm gonna do a house tour if you guys would like that as well. August 1st would have made 5 years that we moved into this place, and now we are moving out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up. I know it's been a while since you guys see me, but again, I'm working, I'm packing to move. There's just so much things going on and I have to focus on this stuff, but I didn't want to not put another video out there for you guys. The videos will definitely be lit. I have so much plans for the new place, on what I'm gonna be doing to decorate it. Kids are gonna love it because they basically have their own little house area, whatever you wanna call it, downstairs. And I pretty much got the upstairs to myself. So yeah, I got a lot of plans for the place once we move. It's so much better lighting all throughout the house. So I'm really excited to do my YouTube videos over there. I might even make me my own YouTube studio room, so I don't have to keep taking down my equipment. But yeah, I can't wait, you guys. Before I keep standing here talking, I gotta get out the door. But I love you guys. Thank you so much. And subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.